The BMW M GmbH model offensive continues in its 50th anniversary year with the addition of a fourth model type to the BMW M3/M4 range alongside the sedan, coupe and convertible. The BMW M3 Touring will celebrate its world premiere at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in June 2022. Orders for the new BMW M3 Touring can be taken from September 2022, ahead of a market launch that will get underway with the start of production in November 2022. The BMW M3 Touring will be produced alongside the BMW M3 sedan at BMW Group Plant Munich. Standalone vehicle concept with extravagant design. The first BMW M3 Touring goes to particularly impressive lengths to deliver on the traditional M promise of dynamic flair, agility and precision combined with unrestricted everyday practicality and mile-covering ability. Extravagant exterior design shines a particularly vivid spotlight on its unique vehicle concept, ensuring clear differentiation within the lineup and a dynamic aura unmatched by any rival. Cleanly designed surfaces and athletic forms signal the standout performance potential of the BMW M3 Touring, as do the M-specific design cues firmly invested in the functional requirements of cooling air routing and aerodynamic balance. Chief among these are the vertically arranged, frameless BMW kidney grille, large side air intakes, powerfully sculpted wheel arches and prominently extended side skirts which, together with the attachment parts for the front and rear aprons, form a black high-gloss band around the whole of the car. Other distinctive features are the M-gills in the front side panels and the exhaust tailpipes integrated into the rear apron to the left and right of center. Whatever exterior color is specified for the BMW M3 Touring, its roof will be finished as standard in black high-gloss. The standard roof rails and the model-specific gurney air directing flap on the roof spoiler are painted in the same shade. The roof can also be finished in body color as an option, and an M-carbon exterior package can also be found on the options list.